Okay, Morgan, you're gonna have to be quiet. Okay, so first of all, if you notice this video with a little bit more orangey than usual, I'm just trying something out. I think it might look cute. Maybe it doesn't, but today I'm filming a first day of school makeup tutorial, or just back to school makeup tutorial. I don't know what I'm gonna title it. This is what I'm probably gonna do definitely for the first day of school, and maybe not so much during the actual school year because I'd probably just be too lazy to do it. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and yeah, let's just flippity flop right on into it. Hi, you're this close to my face. It's kind of unsettling.
There's someone out there, I'll pack my bags to Rio. She's a dancer, but I'm a drummer. I'm lost in this world, but I found myself in Rio. Driving to Hawaii, surfing down the street, dreaming of these places I may never see.
Then I fell to the ground, and she smiled at me instead.
I don't wanna see you cry. You don't have to feel this emptiness. She said I love you till the day that I die. Well, maybe she's right, 'cause I don't wanna feel like I'm not.
With you all summer and after rain. 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 With you all summer and after rain.
Okay. Weird thing just happened to my voice. So this is the look, the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. I know it's kind of like basic, whatever, but like school's basic. You're not gonna go ham. But if you do want like a grungier everyday makeup look for school, then leave a comment below because I will do that. I really don't have anything else to say besides like this video, subscribe. Thank you guys for 800. Also, I never like actually mentioned that in a video. Why is it so zoomed in still? And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yeah, hey, trips to the mall, I just tripped in the fall. I think I might really be the one after all. Yeah, don't wanna rule them all, I'm the chosen one.